If you are a Windows PC user, the StarTech.com Quad HDMI USB-C for PC is a game changer. It is like a magic key, unlocking a world of visual possibilities. This adapter easily connects your laptop to 4 HDMI monitors. Therefore, you can have a massive workspace. You can also watch different things on each screen. Imagine your productivity soaring. Plus, this adapter is TAA compliant. This means it meets important government standards. However, it does not support macOS, ChromeOS, or Linux, so it is strictly for Windows users. Furthermore, setting up the StarTech.com Quad HDMI USB-C for PC is a breeze. It is a plug-and-play device. There are no complicated drivers to install. Consequently, you can expand your display in minutes. You can also drag and drop windows across screens effortlessly. Moreover, multitasking becomes simpler and more efficient. For instance, you can have your email on one screen. Your web browser can be on another. A video can play on a third. And a document can be on the fourth. Ultimately, it's like having a control center for your digital life. Finally, the StarTech.com Quad HDMI USB-C for PC is a solid investment. It is built to last. It is also designed for serious users. Whether you are a gamer or a professional, this adapter delivers. It provides crystal clear visuals. Moreover, it ensures a smooth experience. Therefore, if you need more screen real estate, look no further. This adapter is a powerful tool. It transforms your single screen into a multi-monitor powerhouse. In conclusion, it is a must-have for any Windows PC user. Pros: great, useful HDMI connector, very reliable, very dependable, quality product, works well, great. Solve for multiple monitors, extends multiple screens, increased my productivity, works as needed, excellent purchase, easily connects for screens right away, still running strong. Well worth the money. Perfect cons: gets glitchy trying to go between machines, screens would not come on for a long time. Sometimes it wouldn't come on at all. Worked for 6 months just fine then stopped. It will only connect 2 monitors now. Poor quality features. Quad HDMI video outputs, supports Windows computers only, extends desktop to 4 monitors 1080p. 60 Hz resolution per display, USB-C bus powered. No extra power. Includes multi-monitor assistant software, easy setup with auto driver install, supports 2-channel HDMI audio, TAA compliant 3-year StarTech.com warranty. This StarTech.com adapter lets you connect up to 4 HDMI monitors to your Windows computer using a single USB-C port. You can extend your desktop across all 4 screens, with each monitor showing a clear picture at 1080p resolution and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. It's easy to set up because it powers itself through your computer's USB-C port and automatically installs the necessary drivers. The adapter also includes special software to help manage your multiple monitors and supports basic 2-channel audio through the HDMI connections. It comes with a 3-year warranty from StarTech.com and is TAA compliant. But remember, it only works with Windows computers, not Macs, ChromeOS, or Linux. The StarTech.com USB-C to Quad HDMI adapter is a generally well-regarded device for Windows users looking to connect multiple monitors and boost productivity. Many users found it to be reliable, dependable, and an excellent purchase that easily connects screens right away and continues to run strong. They also felt it was well worth the money and a great solution for extending multiple displays. However, some users experienced issues, including the adapter getting glitchy when switching between computers. screens not coming on for extended periods or at all, and the device failing after about 6 months or only connecting 2 monitors instead of 4.